Obsidian or Notion. Both help you organize your notes, but they take completely different approaches. Let's figure out which one actually fits your workflow. And go ahead, hit that subscribe button for more honest tech comparisons. Notion is your all-in-one productivity hub, cloud-based, perfect for collaboration, combining notes with project management and databases. It's the Swiss Army knife of productivity apps. Obsidian is a local-first, markdown-based note-taking app focused on one thing: building your personal knowledge base. It stores everything on your device, giving you complete data ownership and privacy. The core philosophy. Here's what really separates them. Notion lives in the cloud and excels at team collaboration. Obsidian stores everything locally on your device. It's offline first, which means better privacy but weaker team features. Speed and performance. Users consistently report that Obsidian is noticeably faster than Notion, especially with large databases. Notion can get laggy as your workspace grows, something you'll feel if you're managing hundreds of pages. Obsidian stays snappy even with thousands of notes. Learning curve. Notion is beginner-friendly with drag-and-drop editing and visual templates. Obsidian requires learning Markdown syntax, which creates a steeper initial curve, but users say it becomes second nature quickly, and the payoff is worth it. The Knowledge Graph. Obsidian's killer feature is its knowledge graph. It visualizes connections between your notes, perfect for researchers and writers building interconnected ideas. Notion doesn't have this. It uses traditional hierarchical organization with pages and databases. Collaboration reality. Notion dominates here with real-time editing, commenting, and task assignment built in. Obsidian has no native collaboration. You'd need paid add-ons or workarounds like shared folders. Bottom line, choose Notion if you need team collaboration, project management features, and prefer an intuitive visual interface, especially if you're working with others regularly. Choose Obsidian if you value data privacy, blazing fast performance, complete data ownership, and are building a personal knowledge system. You'll need to be comfortable with Markdown and don't mind a learning curve. Many power users actually use both, Obsidian for deep personal thinking, Notion for team projects. Both offer generous free plans, so test them yourself. That's the real difference. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you next time.